Okay, with question 6 here, we've got an expression for y, and we've got a, b, and c involved, where a, b, and c are just going to be constants, right? Because they're asking us to find the values of them. Okay, but we've got 2 bullet points then. They say, look, dy dx is actually equal to this. And then the other bullet point then, it says when x is 0, y is minus 6. Now I quite like this last bullet point here, because they're setting x to be 0. And you know what, when you set x to be 0, this will go, won't it? This will vanish. And of course, this will vanish as well, because, you know, 0 to the power 4 is just 0. 0 to the power 3 is 0. So they'll all go. So maybe we'll use the last bullet point first. And notice they say, like, well, y is minus 6. So if I put minus 6 in there, okay, for y, and that's what y is. And of course, x is 0. I mean, we can write it down if you want. You can sub it in, okay. And what you find is then, is that they just go, that just goes, so that's 0 times b, 0 times a, it just disappears. So you just got minus 6 here, and you're just left with c there. So straight away we worked out what c is. Okay. Now, the other thing then, of course, they've told us what dy dx is. So what I'll do now is I'll take this function here, and I'll differentiate it, right? So I'll write out now what dy dx is. Okay. Now remember, okay, that a is a constant in front of that x, right? So when I bring that 4 down, it'll just be 4 times that a, yeah? So I'll get 4a x, and then that'll be cubed. Okay, so because the power you bring down times by the constant in front, and this happens to be a, I don't know what it is, but we'll put it down there, so we put 4a x cubed. Do the same here then, bring the 3 down, times it by that b, okay, the number in front, so we get 3b x squared, and of course the c then is a constant. Now I worked out c to be minus 6, but when I differentiate it, it's going to be 0, isn't it? Yeah, because minus 6 differentiated is 0. Now what they were told is, of course, that this is equal to 12x cubed plus 6x squared. Now if we look at this clearly then, if we sort of match these up, you can see, look, in front of the x cubed here I've got 4a, but in front of the x cubed they've given me, I've got 12. So in other words, 4a has got to equal 12. Okay? And the same then with the x squared. In front of the x squared here, I've got 3b. They've given me 6. So 3b's got to equal 6. Now if I've got 4a equals to 12, then that means I can work out what a is. A will be 12 divided by 4, so a will equal 3. And then if I've got 3b equal to 6, I can say then b will equal to 6 divided by 3, so b will equal to 2.